How to remove saved login info on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your saved login on info on Facebook. So first thing, simply head over to your Facebook, and once you're inside here, just click on this profile icon at the top right, and from over here just click on settings, or you can also scroll down and click on this settings. And once you're inside your settings, just click on this account center, and from over here you will want to go to password and security option under account section, and you will be seeing the saved login option inside of login and recovery section. So simply tap on it, save the login option, and from over here all you have to do is just click on this remove account from this device option, which will remove your saved login info from this device, from your current device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.